Have you ever purchased one of those grilling kits, like it had like 50 pieces for grilling, and then you get it in this little bag? Once you take it out, you can never get it back in. It was like a puzzle. And then you get frustrated and you just throw it in the junk drawer or in the utensil drawer. Well, my name is Diana, and I went through that too. I could never get everything back in the bag it came in. That's where I got excited about this little setup. This is meant for all of your grilling accessories, and then you can just roll it up and keep it handy for that time you need. You can find stuff easily. You're not having to empty the whole bag just to get one thing because everything's really organized. But you don't have to just get this for grilling accessories. You can use this for all sorts of things. So I'm going to go over all the features and you can decide if this would be a fit for you. It has 4 big pockets, so everything has its own spot. Spatulas, tongs, cleaning brushes, even those little corn holders that always disappear. No more rummaging around. The material is tough Oxford cloth, so it can handle being tossed in the trunk or sitting by the grill. It even keeps your tools dry if there's a splash or a little rain. Perfect for camping trips, tailgates, or just backyard weekends. Using it is simple. Lay it flat, slide your tools into the pockets, then roll it up tight, clip it close, and you're good to go. It packs down small, so it fits in an RV cabinet or a backpack without hogging space. There's a shoulder strap if you want hands-free, or grab the top handle for a quick move. You can even hang it on a hook by the grill so your tools are right where you need them. Believe it or not, some people ask, does it come with the tools? No, it's just the bag, guys. You have to have your own tools. Will it fit the extra large spatulas? Absolutely. As you saw, I put it in here, no problem. And as far as, rolling it up, it just rolls up nice and neat, as you saw in the video. You can put it away. So if you're looking for a great way to store your grilling tools or maybe something else entirely different, definitely check out this bag.